Today I'm going to show you how you can download MC Command Center for Sims 4. It is super easy. So first of all, what you need to do is go onto your browser and search up deadairpool/mccc.com. I will also put a link to it down in the description. When you're in here, you have these options. You need to click on MCCC downloads. This is the actual mod. When you're in here, you can see here called releases. And here you can see all of the changes and all of the commands and stuff like that. What you need to click is this one, the MC Command Center 2023 or 2024 if you're watching this in the future. You need to click this, and as you can see down here, it's downloading. When it's done downloading, you need to click on the WinRAR file, and from here you need to close that. And you need to take all of these script files and go onto your mods folder. And from here, you just need to drag them over to your mods folder as so. That is basically the entire installment. Now let me show you that this actually works. And when you're into the login screen or the resume your Sims 4 file, this mods page is going to pop up, and as you can see here, the MC Command Center plus all of these script mods down here has been successfully installed. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. I will see you guys in another video. See ya.